Okay, now today we're going to learn words that are very effective with a driver personality. So when you look to see a driver and you're going to talk to them about selling them something or working with them, what you want to know is you can use words that they will like to hear. And by the way, here's the tip. Think of Donald Trump. Does he want your reasons? No. He wants results. Does he care if you can't perform? Well, yes, but then he says what? You're fired. So you have to learn that driver, the higher the D and the dominant in their personality, means they will be driven, pushy, controlling. And so the words you want to use are bottom line, make you money, fast, quick, leading edge. Use those words today with anyone that you recognize is the dominant style.